During World War II, self-propelled howitzers demonstrated higher combat efficiency, as they could quickly maneuver with mechanized forces, carrying their own gun crew and a certain amount of ammunition, allowing for quicker deployment and withdrawal. This type of weapon saw further development after the war, with the Americans not content to stop there. They not only mounted howitzers on large fixed-wing aircraft to create gunship planes, but also attempted to install them on helicopters to create self-propelled howitzers with three-dimensional mobility. In 1963, the U.S. Rock Island Arsenal conducted an experiment at the request of the Army, aiming to combine the M2A2 105mm Howitzer with the H-21 helicopter to create a new type of self-propelled howitzer. The H-21 was a tandem-rotor helicopter then in service with the U.S. military, nicknamed the Flying Banana due to its unique shape. Despite being powered by piston engines, it could provide an effective payload of 2.5 tons, enough to support the M2A2 howitzer, which was the main artillery piece in the U.S. Army at the time and is still in use by some countries today. The artillery was not fully installed inside the helicopter, like on gunship planes, nor could it fire in the air, as doing so would likely flip the helicopter over. Instead, the artillery was installed on the left side of the rear cargo door of the aircraft, with a large portion of the barrel protruding outward. The gun carriage was removed, and a new adjustable gun mount was installed on the belly of the helicopter. According to the design, the helicopter would transport the artillery and gunners for airborne mobility, landing in a suitable position. The gunners would then align the artillery with the general direction of the target and establish the artillery position, lowering the mount and beginning the firing operation. This kind of combat mode was quite innovative, offering greater mobility than ground-based self-propelled howitzers. Helicopters could set up positions in unexpected locations, and according to the experience of the Vietnam War, helicopter units could operate in multiple formations, with gunships, ammunition supply helicopters, as well as carrying engineers and infantry to establish temporary defenses and evacuate quickly. However, during testing, it was found that this airborne self-propelled howitzer had its natural shortcomings. The designers underestimated the recoil of the artillery, and continuous firing during testing caused the mount to become stuck in the ground and unable to retract. Additionally, although the Rock Island Arsenal completed the installation and firing tests of the artillery, they did not achieve flight with the helicopter. It was clear that a 2-ton artillery piece would undoubtedly change the center of gravity of the helicopter, potentially making it unstable. As a result, the U.S. Army ultimately abandoned the idea.